What's going on, guys? Paul James here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I started an AI lead gen agency in 15 minutes and how you can do the same thing. And I'm going to cover some questions that I saw in my last video that you guys kept asking a lot so that I can help you solve any problems that you might have had or questions you might have had to help basically make you feel confident in this business model. Now, if you want, you can comment "I'm in" on this video and let me know that you would like more information on the software I use and coaching, and I can get you that information so that you can get started. But the goal of this video is to help you get paid per lead that you send and eliminate most of the workload thanks to the power of AI. So what we're doing here is we're creating faceless YouTube videos using AI. We're putting those videos online, and then we're getting traffic to those videos. And every time, let's say you make a video about, maybe like roofing damage or something like that. Every time you get someone who's a homeowner to watch that video and they decide they raise their hand and say they want help fixing the roof, you sell that lead as a phone call to a roofing contractor and you get paid $50 per call. So the math is broken down right here. $50 per call, let's say you get 10 leads a month, you make $500 a month. And that's about what we're seeing every time we do this. You can see this is a screenshot below of a total call value of $400. So a screenshot here from one of our coaching students, Ron, who also jumped in. And you can see here, 15 qualified leads, he got paid $520. Okay, so if you're interested in getting started, you can visit pauljames.com/activate and then get hooked up on the same software we're using to set up these tracking phone numbers and sell the leads. But I want you to watch this video so that you really understand how this all works before you do that. So the biggest question that I've been getting in these videos is, will I get enough traffic to my video that I create? So what we're going to do today is we're going to answer that question. We're going to cover this from start to finish and not leave anything left out so that you can walk away from this video in the next 15 minutes and start your own AI lead gen agency and actually get traffic and start generating leads today. So what we're going to do is we're going to run low budget ads. I'm talking like just a couple dollars a day. We're going to create a YouTube video commercial with AI, and then we're going to put a tracking phone number in your commercial so that you can track all the leads that come in so that you can get paid. You're going to sell the leads then. You don't have to answer the phone. You don't have to meet in person or talk to anyone, and you don't have to be on video. That's the great part about this. AI does all of the work for us. So with that being said, step one is you're going to need a way to track the phone calls. And what we use is my software DialHawk, because we have this little feature in here that says this lead was provided to you by Paul. It's called a whisper text feature, and you enable that on your phone calls by clicking save. Now this software lets you buy phone numbers for $1.15 a month. So that handles all of your leads for that particular niche for just $1.15 a month. Like I said, if you want to get started with that software, the best deal is through this link here, pauljames.com/activate, because you can get started for really, really cheap, like just $50. But if you go to DialHawk's website, it's like over $2,000. So because you're a subscriber here, you're getting the best price on that. But before we get into that, let's actually talk about, because you don't need the tracking phone number until you actually know how to generate leads, right? So let's show you how to generate leads first. I promise you'll feel so confident in generating the leads that you will want to set up a tracking phone number so that you're actually making money, because that's how we generate this money here. So we use a software called invideocreator.com, and what it does is it lets you get started generating videos. You can start for free, and they give you a certain amount of exports every single month, and then once you hit that, you're going to need to upgrade your account. But the goal is to get you generating leads so that you have money to pay for this stuff. Like once you get going with it, you'll be able to actually pay for this stuff. So I put in here in this generator, I'm using the version 3.0, which is generative video. So I figured we test that out today in this video. But you can also use version 2.0, which will be more like stock images. So it'll use like stock video and stock images to generate the video. If you do version 3.0, it's going to use AI video clips. So you'll want to play with both and see which one you like best. But in this video, I gave it a prompt. I want to create a video about the importance of getting your furnace tuned up. At the end of the video, I want you to do a call to action to book your appointment or get a free estimate by calling, and then I put my tracking phone number here. So now I'm going to go ahead, click generate a video, and it's going to load and go through the process of it, and it's really, really easy and straightforward. So you can see right now it's analyzing the prompt that we put in, and then it's going to give us some options, and I'll show you how you want to answer those. So what it's going to do is it's going to ask us how long we want this video to be, and 1 minute is usually good. We're going to target homeowners, and we're going to do it for the platform YouTube. So let's go ahead and hit continue on that, and this is where you can choose whether you want generative media or stock media. So we'll go ahead and hit continue, and I'll show you what the generative media looks like, because I have already done videos with the stock media, so you can go back and look at those videos as well. And I'll show you an example here after this of a stock video I did that has gotten quite a lot of views actually. Okay, so this is just about ready, but while this finishes up, I did want to show you the other video version that uses the stock photos. And you can see here on a brand new channel that we've got a lot of views already going for it. And here's what this one looks like.
If you're wondering whether your roof can handle another season, we've got you covered. Right now, you can get a free roof inspection from our trusted local experts. No strings attached, no hidden fees, just peace of mind.
Okay, so just a little sneak peek of what you can expect using the stock image. So I'll show you what the generative looks like, and then you can kind of weigh which one you like better. Okay, and then just to give you an idea of what the generative looks like, just so that we don't have to wait for that last video, I just want to show you an example of how crazy this is, because just by typing in a prompt like that, you can see here this is a prompt, hyena pack hunt on a thrilling savanna. Let me just show you, for example.
As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the African savanna in hues of gold and crimson, a remarkable scene unfolds before us. A pack of hyenas, often...
I mean, as you can see, that's insane. It basically gives cinematic Hollywood style video when you use the generative. So it's really worth doing the generative, especially if you've got a niche where, you know, you're making a lot of money per lead. It can be worth doing the generative one versus the stock images. But it doesn't matter, you can do either one. It's completely up to you. But basically from that point, you're just taking this video that we generated from the AI, you're uploading it to a YouTube channel, and then we're gonna run some really, really low budget ads. Now you don't have to run ads to get traffic. The way that I teach you how to do it, especially if you're joining me on the weekly coaching calls that come with, if you go here right now, there's weekly coaching calls that happen every week. We have one actually tomorrow, I think at 2 p.m. And you also get access to the replay. But the way I show you how to do it, you also are going to get lots of social traffic too. But I want to show you how to jumpstart it with ads if you want to do it that way. So the way we would jumpstart it with ads is we're going to hop into ads.google.com, and we're going to create a new campaign here. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a campaign without a goals guidance, and we're going to do video for the campaign type. And right here, I like to use either video views or YouTube subscriptions and engagements. We're gonna hit continue, and this is really easy to set up from this point. So you're gonna enter a location, you're gonna target the location that you wanna generate leads in. So let's just say that I wanted to target Rockford, Illinois in this case, because that's where that other video was. So let's just say that. I'm gonna go ahead and select that. And then English is gonna be the language. For bid strategy, maximize conversion, and then daily budget. You could start really low, even $5 a day. I know it says that you should go higher, but you don't have to go higher with a campaign like this. You can go as low as you want to go. So $5 a day is plenty. And then from that point, we're going to create the group here. I normally leave everything just super broad. If you want, you could go in and start honing down on like homeowners or things like that. But you're going to get a lot of leads and views by just keeping it really broad. And then all you do is you paste the URL here from YouTube. So this one right here. So you'll paste it in, it's gonna lock it in. You're gonna also paste it as the final URL. And then you can put up a call to action. I just recommend learn more. And then they allow you to do some headlines and stuff as well. So you can go in here, they'll give you some ideas of what to add when you click on it. But you can also make up your own. And that's it, you just hit create campaign. And you can see here, it's estimating that it's gonna get up to 5.7K conversions on that. I mean, impressions on that, which means that's how many times people will see the ad. And a number of people are going to end up trickling over, and they're going to call your tracking phone number, and you're going to get paid. You're going to start racking up this call value here. And just like Ron did, you're going to start to rack that up, and you're going to start billing for the leads automatically with DialHawk because of your tracking phone number being in the video. Okay, so get your tracking phone number set up. Another thing I'll talk about as well, you're probably wondering about the thumbnail for the video. So I'm going to show you an example of the thumbnail I'm doing for this very video. So this video is being titled something like how I started an AI lead gen agency in 15 minutes. So what I did is I used this tool. It's another AI tool called Laura's, and you can generate images for 3 cents an image. And I talk about this in the coaching as well. So again, just another reason to join. But as you can see here, I trained it to generate me thumbnails, and you can see the thumbnails are amazing. I didn't pose for them at all. This is actually not really me. This is completely AI. So I trained it with images of me, and now it generates images, whatever I type in basically. I said, make me surprised, make me look surprised. And that's what it did. So again, this is just all more stuff that you'll learn inside of the coaching. So if that's interesting to you, then you should definitely join us so that you can take advantage of all that and learn more about that stuff. If you're wondering about picking a niche, that's pretty straightforward. I recommend hopping on a website like homeadvisor.com, click browse all services, and if you just pick any one of these niches, you're pretty much good to go. You can pick a location in the United States to target, and you can also, even if you're in a different country, you could pick a location near you, or you can be in a different country and still target a city in the United States because you're not meeting with people, you're not talking with people, your tracking phone number, thanks to DialHawk, is doing all the work of forwarding the lead, tracking the leads, billing your customers, all of that stuff. So anyways, if you want more information or you're in, just comment "I'm in" below in the comments. Visit pauljames.com/activate to get your account set up. If you're already a DialHawk customer and you weren't aware of the coaching that we've got going on right now, we're doing this for 4 weeks. Just hit up support and we'll get you registered. Again, we have a session tomorrow. I think it's at 2 p.m. Eastern time, but you'll also get the replay to that. Just definitely, I don't want you to miss that. So make sure you hop in before that happens so that you don't miss out. Anyways, guys, I will see you in another video. If you have any questions and you want to see future content, you want me to answer your question in future content, comment that as well. And I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.